seconds.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry, this is a voiceover, but today we're gonna be learning what you just saw in the intro. So let's get right into it. Well, the first thing you're gonna have to do is put in, what's it called? Our retime controls for our velocity. So,
10 seconds.
just like that. It should look like that. And these are my settings for it. It's like about 5 to 10 tracers back of slow-mo, so yeah. This is a voiceover, so sorry if it's a little bit weird. Yeah, that's what it should look like. You can drag it a little bit, so the effect that we're gonna make is more. Like, you're gonna make more space for what the time's gonna be. So what we're gonna do now is drag an adjustment clip over it. Then we're gonna go into tritone, I think it is. No, we're gonna go into quad tone. Then we're gonna and then we're gonna drag it onto our adjustment clip. We're gonna go into effects, go to number 2 or the second thing, and then put that to red or whatever color your spiral thing is, or whatever color you want for your spiral, whatever. But just in this case, I just did red. So now, as you see, we're gonna do a cut in the audio, so we're gonna have this like glitched out effect, which is pretty cool. Don't mind me here. This is a bit weird. I messed up here because I'm a bit slow. Yeah, so what we're gonna be doing here is we're just gonna put it into like sort of like a choppy, not choppy. We're gonna cut. It won't look so good because Davinci Resolve is a free software, and it's kind of sad. This is what it should look like so far. Then we're just gonna put the music audio into like little pieces. Don't mind me here. I accidentally messed this up. Nobody's perfect. And then this is me realizing that I messed it up, I think. No, it's not. I'm making it even worse. Yeah. Okay, well, this is finally me figuring it out. I had to cut because I was stupid. So we're just gonna do like a choppy-ish audio, well, for the song audio, because you don't want to make the same mistake I did and accidentally do like the shotgun pump or the AR or the whatever gun you're using. We're just gonna use the music audio because we don't want it to be bad. So now it should look like it's glitched or sound like it's glitched. So yeah, we don't really want it to sound like it's glitching out, but we want to make it sound like it's glitched. So yeah, then we're just gonna cut the clip into 2, as you see here, and then we're gonna drag it both in. Don't do the adjustment clip, that was just a bad idea on my part. But for the actual clip, you're gonna cut them into 2 and then drag them or fade them both into the middle, both of them, and it should look way better. Like, just like that. So if yours is not looking like that, then that's sad. You can rewatch it. Yeah. Okay. So then we're gonna get our spiral effect. Remember to unlink the clips, or else our sound would be very bugged, and we don't want that. So then right there, you'll see there's a black screen. So we don't want it to have a black screen. So what we're gonna do is there should be a little thing called composition, my bad. And then you should click add, or the little thing, and then click add, and then it will pop up. So just like that. And yeah, and this looks really cool because the spiral effect just looks like really nice with the effect that we did. So yeah, and then we're gonna cut the spiral effect into 2 and then fade them both in, so just like I did. So yeah. Sorry, it doesn't show here for some odd reason. Hello guys, my game file, or not my game file, my voice file just well, it just didn't really work. It just crashed. It just completely deleted out of the video. I did a voiceover, hopefully, because I'm not lazy, I don't think. So when we're done doing this, we're gonna go into the color tab just to make it look less bad. I can't do full screen for some reason, I don't know why, so I'm just gonna have to pull this over. Okay, never mind, it's just not working. So this is what
10 seconds.
it looks pretty cool, if you ask me. I'm gonna go back into edit, and if you can, this is optional, you can add like a little warp effect. If you want to see this warp effect, you can go to, what's it called, Charlie FN's tutorial, or pack, my bad. Let me just find it real quick. I think it's clip effects. Then it's being weird, or I just suck. Kill build ups, then it's gonna be here for warp. And then just drag it down to where your clip is. What the warp is, it's not giving me what the warp is, my bad. It's supposed to be here, but it's not. I don't really know what it is, but it's just a clean little warp effect. I'm going to color, back into color, and then it looks even better.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
Yeah, I don't know, it's like choppy, it's like... Yeah, so that's how you do, the effect. If you want to see the impact, you can just stay around for it. It's quite easy. All you have to do is just go to like one of your effects, my effects, it's just the, oh my god, I don't know why I'm so bad at this right now, but just the blue glow and a fast shake, I guess, can be okay for this. Just drag it back. And then we'll just go to effects, our shake, keyframe that, then our glow, just keyframe the brightness, then we'll just go back to the end and put our brightness down, And for the shape, we'll just put our amplitude down, and now it should look like this, but it's bad right now. So anyways, that's how you do that cool effect, and see you guys later. Bye.